Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Far Away. Let me show you the pedal car that I'm going to be working with. This is it. All this paint's going to come off. I'm going to be adding some metal flake to it. I'm going to be adding some graphics. I'm going to be adding some candy paint. I'm going to be adding some water droplets, some lacing, it's going to be done like a show car, guys. This little pedal car is going to be competing on some lowrider shows, so I just wanted to make a real quick video, guys, on this car, on this little pedal car, guys. So stay tuned. If you like stuff like this will be an interesting one for you guys. All right, this is the previous paint it had. It's okay, but we're gonna make it pop. We're gonna make it a show quality piece. So guys, stay with me, and if you want to help out with the channel, guys, hit the link below. Help me out so that I can start making more videos showing you guys some more tips and tricks, and it'll help out, guys. It'll help out for you guys to learn. All right guys, this will be it for this little video. I just wanted to show you the car that's going to be next. Don't forget, I also have that guitar that's coming up. So guys, thank you, God bless, have a great week, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Also, I still have that candy paint job that I did on that Avenger. I'm gonna show it all. I'm in the process of buffing it, so once I'm done, I'm gonna do a review on it so you can see how it came out. All right guys, thank you, hope you can help out, and God bless.